What it do? What it do? It's your boy Blue, Brian Blue. I'm back with another video. And today we want to get into the topic of social media. What is social media? Oh yeah, while you at it, hit that like button, share this video, subscribe. Do you know what is social media? Do you know what you're looking at while you watching this video? Yes, you. Do you know? Do you think you know? If you already know, once you reach this point in this video, drop a comment. Hashtag I know. So we got a lot of people that know about social media. They know about the algorithm. They know about what to upload, when to upload. They do the analytics. They read the statistics. They do all those things that they give you so-called tools to help you go along the way to get more followers, to get more friends, to grow your network, or to grow your business. On the other hand, social media is your life put on a screen. Everybody in a nutshell. But as you can see, when they make movies, they single people out. They single a woman out throughout the whole movie. They single a man out throughout the whole movie. They'll single a child out throughout the whole movie. They'll even single out a pet throughout the whole movie. Hey, guess what? They got so far-fetched. They will single out a teddy bear, or doll, or toy out in a whole movie and let you live a life of a toy. You ever thought about that? It's the same way on social media. They putting clips and photos in front of you to make you think or react a certain way. They call it the Matrix. It's like, you know how like when you get pulled over for DUI and the police tell you to walk that line. In the Matrix, it's a line. The lines are crooked, but they some lines, and you going down every line in the Matrix. That's why you feeling so crazy, get throwing you all type of ways. Which when you step out you can step out the Matrix and look at it and see what it is for what it is, and not be affected by the Matrix, and you can overcome. In 2024, you can overcome in 2024, I'm telling you. And we're gonna do it. We're gonna get to the top. And if you like videos like this, come back for the next video, next episode. Be right back. It's your boy Brian Blue. I'll be right back, okay?